What's going on, you beautiful people? Welcome to another vlog. Today I am in Veliko Tarnovo in Bulgaria. Not sure if I said that right. This is one super old town.
Baby.
As you can see, right next to my hostel, there's an abandoned building that I want to check out, to be honest. And I probably will. So I'm just walking around in this old town. Now, this over 700, 800 years ago, this town or this city used to be the capital of Bulgaria. I just found this super old church, like really old. Check this out. Whoa. So cool. It's locked though. Wow. God damn, it looks old. Wow, amazing. Alright, so I'm in the newer part of town right now, and I see two things that distract me. One is in front of me, right there, and one is this way. The one in front of me, right there. We'll check it out, probably. It's a sex shop. The other thing that's distracting me, and I, want to check out, is this. Wow, look at this. Oh my god. Cool. How cool is this? What is this here? That's someone's roof. Whew. All right, let's keep going. Should we check out the sex shop? It looks like just a normal adult shop, like, with all the toys and things. I'm not checking it out. I'm a bit shy, plus I'm just like by myself. That's weird, Let's not do that. There's I'm not here to check that out. I'm here to check out the old town, and plus, I'm actually really hungry right now. I want to eat something. So yeah, let's do that first. Oh shit. That's crazy. It's a bit scary actually. It's quite high. Wow, pretty cool town. Alright, this area looks pretty cool too, so we're gonna do some filming. Wow, everyone's taking photos here, so it's right, it's good. Check it out. I'm gonna do some photos here and then keep going. So I've just made my way down on this bridge to get to the monument of Asen dynasty right there. Looks pretty grand. I'm gonna take some nice shots here. By the way, if you want to see all my photos that I take on my trip, make sure you follow me on Instagram just go to Real Black Box. If you search that, that will come up. So it's just Real Black Box, same as my YouTube channel name. I do take photos every day and I post them up almost every day. So yeah, check it out at Real Black Box. So I just found some information here. The monument of the Asen dynasty was dedicated to 800 years anniversary of the rebellion against the Byzantine rule, which ended with the liberation of Bulgaria. What? The composition represents the leaders of revolt, the brothers Asen and Peter and their successors, and blah 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 blah. During their rule, Bulgaria reached high political, economic, and cultural prosperity. So, good work, Asen and Peter. Keep it up. By the way, you gotta go that way and then go up, but you know, I'm a little bit lazy, so I just go from here. Pretty much the same. Cool. Ah, look at this. This is amazing. Look at the view.
Baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll be counting stars.
Awesome. Good job, man.
Good enough, I suppose.
That was good. Thanks, buddy. Wow. What's your name?
Michael.
Michael. Armin.
Armin.
Armin. Nice to meet you.
Armin. Oh, Armin, man.
I'm Vic.
Vic. Nice to meet you.
Armin.
Yeah.
Actually, you
Cool.
know,
So how long you been playing?
I don't know, 6th grade, like I was 12, but now I'm 20.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
I sing also I study singing here in the university.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, and yeah, I sing for like a year and a half now.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's nice. It's opera singing, so
Oh wow. Okay.
classical.
Professional.
Yeah, to the
Gypsy
gypsy
The
neighborhood. Yeah.
slums, yeah.
That sounds
Actually,
good.
in Bulgaria, they have a big problem with gypsies.
Yeah.
There's a lot of ghettos.
Ghettos. Yeah.
Yeah, ghettos for gypsies. I mean, gypsies are dirty, ugly, they stink, and they don't work. Every gypsy family has like 15 plus kids. Okay, I'm over
Yeah,
exaggerating,
but
but
that's just not all of them are like
Yeah,
that.
not all
Yeah.
like that, but
It's
most,
just
yeah.
the fact that they're in the slums.
And
they
just the majority.
really have
actually,
options.
Tarnovo is one of the best cities in Bulgaria because the ghetto is on a very European level, which means it's as dirty as a very old secluded village.
Cool.
But it's actually
I'm interested in that.
European. Yeah, we can check it out.
Yeah, I think that sounds good.
So that's funny, Mr. Tarnovo.
Yeah, let's go check out the
Okay.
Gypsy Ghetto.
Absolutely. Westerners
like
tend to come to the mountains, like the Rotops or Rila or
Alright.
Kirin and
Yeah.
Bansko and stuff like that. There's actually a lot of expats, but
Yeah.
like
Gypsy.
otherwise, it's Eastern.
Damn. Alright.
And British people, a lot of British people.
Yeah.
We've
Where?
got like in the villages here. Like, do you not know?
Raise America.
Yeah, Ray's American, but we're not talking about Ray. We're talking about everybody else British. You know the book thief, Karen? Yeah, she's
Karen, yeah. Oh, Neil, also Neil. When I go into Tom, every party, he's already drunk on gin and tonic. He's like, Michal, how you doing, man? Every time I go to town for a party, he's already there and he's already drunk. Someone like ran over the car.
Yeah,
Poor snake.
loaded.
Poor thing. Fucking hell.
Oh, it's actually.
pretty old, like more than a day. It looks like.
Well, it's still fresh.
Mmm.
Probably.
Is that the heart?
Maybe. I don't know. I don't know snake anatomy.
Well.
But yeah, there were warnings on the.
So we're just here at this dam. It looks pretty cool, so we're gonna check it out, explore it. When was this dam built again, is that? He knows, right?
Time of the communism. I don't remember the date because I never really remember the date.
Okay, cool.
But like, let's say
Communist dam.
in the 60s,
60s. Okay, so very old dam.
60s, 70s, before 89, in any case.
Cool.
Like 20 or 30 years before that.
Oh wow.
But see, you don't even have to break in. It's
Yeah, it's just open. Ah, look at this. So that's the mechanism they use to turn and open the floodgates. Oh, whoa. That's pretty cool. Wow, I'm gonna take a photo of this in a bit. Wow. Alright, so that's the thing. Wow, look, that is so cool. Oh, someone's fishing. There we go. Oh, there's a few people. Someone's canoeing right there. What is he doing? Kayaking? Yes. Somebody kayaking down there. That looks peaceful. That looks like fun. Oh wow. This is so fun. Wow. Cool. Wow. Same thing this side. And this is. Alright. That's cool.
This is some heavy duty machinery. They use this to lift logs.
Alright.
When I was here, they used a smaller one. I think it's like 10 ton.
Wow.
So they actually left this over here like that. But there was the only river flow was over that small thing. Over here there was no river flow.
Oh wow.
They removed a lot of the trash. It was like 3 to 4 times more trash than now.
Wow.
And the river is very warm. If you go down inside right now, it's a very warm river. You can swim inside, it's very nice. The floor is solid concrete. It has a little bit of seaweed, but just a little bit. You can just walk, it's no problem. But you're gonna smell like, brick.
Yeah, okay. So how old is dam, you said? When was this built, you know?
I have no idea. 50 years, probably.
Okay, looks more than 50, I think.
I don't know.
Looks super old, wow. Cool.
Maybe less.
Alright, well this is the Soviet dam.
All communistic concrete.
There you go. Alright, we made it back to my hostel. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, it was nice.
I give you guys Instagram, or how do you keep in touch?
Instagram.
Insta is good.
Okay, then if you want to go out tomorrow, I can't. I have work to do. But we
I'm
can
actually
go tonight.
leaving. Leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, yes.
We can
Tomorrow
go out tonight, right?
midday or something. But I'll hit you guys up tonight. Yes.
Okay.
I'll probably eating, and then I'm not sure if I'm gonna go up there to the fortress. Or is it? I'm not
Son
sure.
of it, but it's closing in 7. So
Is it? Okay.
Yeah,
So
so-
I would just be flying my drone up there. Then.